Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and we will be doing dip powder nails using double dip powder. And by the way guys, I will have a discount code on the screen if you guys are interested in getting some money off your order, 10% off using my code. So here I'm just doing a simple prep. After I was done eliminating the shine with a medium sanding band, I'm just pushing back the cuticles gently, and now I'm moving on to trimming the cuticles, and we will continue on with the rest of the nail prep and get right into this tutorial. And by the way, thank you guys so much for all the love and support always. It means the absolute world to me. Everyone who takes the time to watch my content, like the video or comment, thank you so much. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias and check out my Etsy shop as well. And I also have a couple of coupon codes listed in the description box if you guys are interested in that. So here I'm just using some nail tips that I did purchase through Shein. They were only $1 or $1.50. And I absolutely loved these nail tips. So after I was done placing them on with some nail glue, I'm just cutting them to my liking. I did some really short nails. I want to do like a manicure. I couldn't use my nails because they're just too short. They don't really have a shape. So right here I'm just blending everything in. I'm blending in the nail tip with my natural nail plate and just eliminating the shine. Obviously, if you want these nails to last, you'd go in with some preparation, meaning some primer and some dehydrator. I just didn't do that, but here I am just showing you the color that I'm using from a double dip. I decided to go for Bulgarian Mint. It's a absolutely beautiful color. So here I'm just showing you what I love about double dip is that they're just so pigmented, easy to use, and they're very great quality. So here I'm just going in with step 1, which is the base. This is what you use to build the nail. So I am just applying it 3/4 onto the nail, dipping it in the dip powder at a 45-degree angle, and I'm just going to repeat this process twice on all the nails. So I hope you all enjoy this tutorial. And by the way guys, shaping is definitely key when you are working with dip powder. I am still trying to perfect my shape. You know, in any type of nail tutorial that you're doing, shaping is everything, and it's just the hardest thing for me. So I do, you know, always stress that, but every time that I realize I'm doing the nails, especially dip powder, right now I'm really into dip, I'm realizing I'm getting better and I'm actually really enjoying it. I've been quite obsessed with dip powder lately. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys give a dip powder a try, any type of dip powder that you choose, because it's easy and it's all in the shaping. You do have to take your time with shaping, but once you master that, it's literally like amazing. Like, I love dip powder. And don't forget to dust in between every layer of dip powder. So here I'm going in with my second layer. I did end up going in with one more layer off camera, so I did a total of 3 layers of dip powder, and then I managed to do very thin layers because I don't like the nails to look too thick. In the past it has happened, so I'm just trying every single time I try this particular method to just better and better myself at doing it. And I can also, you know, let you guys know what tips and tricks I recommend while doing dip powder. So yeah, as you guys can see, I am just finishing everything up. So once I'm done building the nails to my liking, now we're moving on to some activator, and this is just going to ensure that the nails are strong, hard, and ready to shape and file. Now I'm just gonna go in and shape and file the nails, and later on I will buff them as well just to smooth everything out. And by the way guys, I had such a great time creating this tutorial for you all. Thank you guys so much once again for all the love and support. I will always remind you in every single video I create how grateful and lucky I am to have all the supporters that I do, and people telling me that they're inspired or they got inspired by something that I did, or I helped them in some way, shape, or form. So it definitely means the absolute world to me. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I hope you all are enjoying this tutorial so far. So these are how the nails turned out after I was done shaping, filing, and buffing the nails. These are the final results, and now we're going to move in with one more coat of activator just to secure the nails, and then we'll be moving on to the last and final step, which is the top coat. Wow, and you know what I just noticed? That I ended up using the base once again instead of the top coat. And it was so strange because I had to go in with 2 layers, and I'm like, why isn't it as shiny as it usually is? And now that I am filming the video, I realized that I used the base coat. It dried and everything, and it looked fine in the end, but I just realized that I forgot to use the top coat. So don't do that error or mistake that I did, even though they still looked great, but still the dip powder top coats are just very, very shiny and beautiful. So obviously you want to go for that. But yeah, I don't know where my mind was at. Maybe I just got really excited, or I just forgot. So yeah, that's what you're gonna see here. I'm literally just putting on the base coat once again. It dried and everything, but yeah guys, so that was a bummer because the nails would have probably came out even better, but it is what it is. Now I'm just applying the cuticle oil, and that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.